Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dealing with messy cables and slow charging speeds for all your daily devices? Today on Triplezon, we are looking at the best 3-in-1 wireless charger to make your life much easier and keep your desk beautifully neat. Let's get started. Say a big goodbye to the cable clutter and say hello to the Joyroom Qi 2 3-in-1 wireless charger. This amazing device totally redefines convenience and performance for Apple users everywhere. It beautifully blends advanced technology with a sleek and portable design. When you have a busy lifestyle, keeping your essential gadgets powered up is a daily challenge. Joyroom solves this problem by giving you a single station that handles your phone, watch, and earbuds all at once. It is a fantastic upgrade for any desk or nightstand. One of the most impressive things about the Joyroom Qi 2 3-in-1 wireless charger is its amazing speed. It is equipped with the latest Qi 2 fast charging technology, which delivers a massive boost in charging efficiency. This means your devices power up safely and much quicker than older models. Just to give you an idea, this charger is up to 60 minutes faster for iPhones. It is also 50 minutes faster for Apple Watches and 30 minutes faster for AirPods. You spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your gadgets. Let us talk about how secure this setup feels. The Joyroom Qi 2 3-in-1 wireless charger is designed with a strong magnetic alignment system. This guarantees a perfectly precise charging position for your iPhone and Apple Watch every single time you snap them on. The powerful connection keeps your devices completely stable, so you never worry about them slipping or disconnecting. Plus, its 3-in-1 capability allows simultaneous charging of all your essential devices, finally eliminating that ugly wire clutter from your life entirely. Portability is another huge benefit of the Joyroom Qi 2 3-in-1 wireless charger. It features an ultra-compact folding design that makes it absolutely ideal for travel. You can slip it into your pocket or toss it in your bag without adding extra bulk. This clever space-saving structure completely reduces the hassle of carrying multiple separate wall bricks and cables everywhere you go. Even though it folds down so small, it maintains full charging functionality, making it the absolute perfect travel companion for any upcoming trip. Beyond just charging, the Joyroom Qi 2 3-in-1 wireless charger includes a built-in adjustable bracket that greatly enhances usability. You can easily find comfortable viewing angles while your phone charges, which is perfect for video calls, watching content, or browsing hands-free. Additionally, safety remains a top priority. The new Qi 2 protection system provides intelligent safety protection against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. This guarantees your valuable devices remain secure and in optimal condition. Ready to upgrade your charging routine with this amazing device? Check the price link in the description to get all the details and secure yours today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe to Triplezon for more awesome content. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.